Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we generate leads. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a free, straightforward, and easy-to-apply method that you can start using immediately to generate thousands of high-quality leads for your industry or niche. We'll first locate these leads, and then I'll show you how to set up an automated system so you can reach out to all of them effortlessly, even while you're sleeping. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Daniel, and I specialize in AI optimization. On this channel, you'll stay up to date with the latest in AI and automation. If you find value in today's session, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the AI Marketer course, available via the link below. Now let's dive in. The first step is to search for leads using Google. We'll be using a specific search query with three main components. First, we'll tell Google which site to search. Next, we'll specify the niche we're targeting. This could be plumbers, electricians, doctors, lawyers, life coaches, and so on. And finally, we'll instruct Google to only return profiles with listed email addresses. I've included some common email domains here, but if you want to target another one, just add it using and the @ symbol along with the domain name you're interested in. For example, if life coaches are your target market, you would type site Instagram.com life coaches, followed by those popular email domains. This query instructs Google to search Instagram for profiles that mention life coaches and also include one of these email domains in their contact information. This way, you'll find only those life coaches who have publicly listed their email addresses on their profiles. Another example would be instructing Google to search LinkedIn for profiles of surgeons who have also listed their email addresses. Let's give this a try. I'll start with the life coach example and input it into Google. In just a moment, we get hundreds, if not thousands, of profiles of life coaches, all with their email addresses clearly specified. This search query works wonderfully. The next step is to transfer all this information into ChatGPT. If you're using a Mac, press Command+A or Control+A on a PC to select everything. Then, copy it all over to ChatGPT and paste it in. Scroll to the top and use this prompt. Format the data below into a table with these columns: full name, company name, website URL, email, and phone number. Simply press enter, and ChatGPT will take care of the rest. As you can see, it has generated a table that includes the account owner's full name, the company name, the Instagram URL, the email address, and the phone number if available. You can do the same for LinkedIn. This method is excellent for gathering leads from Instagram and LinkedIn without spending hundreds of dollars on software like Hunter.io or GetProspect. Now, I'll show you how to set up an automation system to reach out to all of these leads on autopilot. First, copy the table into a new Google Sheet, and we'll call this sheet Lead Outreach Test. Now, I'll use my preferred automation tool, Make.com. Once logged in, I'll create a new scenario, which will open a blank canvas. The trigger will be a Google Sheet, so whenever new rows are added, this automation will activate. You can also specify how often you want this automation to run. If you've scraped thousands of leads, you don't want to send all emails simultaneously, as this might cause your email address to be marked as spam. A good practice is to send one email every hour, which usually won't trigger spam filters. Set the trigger to a new row in the Google Sheet and fill in the necessary information. If this is your first time connecting your Google Sheet to Make.com, click Add, then sign in with Google and fill in your credentials. After connecting, select My Drive and choose the spreadsheet you just created, named Lead Outreach Test. Since there's only one sheet, it will default to Sheet 1. Then confirm that the table contains headers and set the limit to 1 result per run. Next, press OK. This setup will instruct the system to pull a new row from the spreadsheet every hour and perform the following action: sending an email. You can send the email directly from your Gmail account by selecting Send an Email as the action. Again, if it's your first time logging into Gmail through Make.com, click Add and sign in with your Google credentials. After completing your connections, specify the recipient's email address. Click on the field and select the email address that was scraped from Google, which is in column D of the Google Sheet. All the headers from your Google Sheet will appear, so choose the value from column D. This setup means the system will send emails from your Gmail account to the email address in column D. The email address used will change with each run, ensuring a new email is sent each time the automation runs. For the subject line and email content, here's an example. Question about company name. The content might say, I wanted to know if you're still accepting new clients. I run an AI automation agency that can boost your conversions by 60% within 90 days. Can I send you more information, Daniel? Keep these outreach emails concise, ideally under 3 sentences, to improve your response rate. People are busy and prefer short and clear messages. Once they reply, you can provide more information. Finally, press OK, save the automation, and turn it on. You'll now have a fully automated email outreach system running around the clock, even while you're sleeping. Really, it's that simple. If you found value in today's video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to sign up for our AI Marketer course through the link below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.